We are back in the kitchen with Kristen, and we are back to making some sweets. And today is one of our all-time favorite recipes, protein balls. So let's get started. Now that we have it all mixed up, look at that lovely dough, we are going to form it into balls. So this is going to make 12 balls, so I'm just going to separate it in half, make 6 balls out of each half. Alright, so there you have it, our chocolate chip protein balls. You can use any flavor protein powder you like. We like using a chocolate based, peanut butter based to mix with the chocolate chips. That mixes really well. But the macros for each ball are 84 calories, 3.5 fat, 9 carb, and 5 protein. So very macro friendly. And when I say these are one of Jordan's literally favorite treats out there, I am not kidding. He loves these. But after you're done making them, just pop them in the fridge and then enjoy.